Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn on captions on Google Meet. The first thing you have to do is open up the Google Meet app, then click on the three lines in the top left corner, then click on settings, scroll down to message. Now we have two options: save messages and captions for messages. So we want to turn on caption for messages. Turn it on. This means that the audio of your Meet messages will be sent to Google servers for transcription, but it will not be stored. Transcriptions use your device default language. If you do not want to do it, click on Not Now. But if you want to proceed, click on Turn On. So all audio content will be sent to Google to be transcribed. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.